Hello, welcome to your learning channel. Today we are going to learn in this unit 10 the use of was, were. So let's get started. Here we have usage of was and were. Robert is at work now. We use was or were in past tense, which happened in the past. Robert is at work now. At midnight last night, he wasn't at work. At midnight last night, he wasn't at work. It means this is in the past. He was in bed. He was in bed. He was asleep, but he is now not asleep. He was asleep in the past time. Here we have sentences. I am tired. Now I am tired. I was tired last night. I'm tired. Now it means now I am tired. I was tired last night. This is in the past. Where is Kate? Where was Kate yesterday? Where was Kate yesterday? This is in present tense. This is in the present and this is in the past time. The weather is nice today. The weather was nice last week. This is in present and this example sentence is in past. You are late. You were late yesterday. They aren't here. They weren't here last Sunday. These sentences belong to present time and these example sentences, the use of was, were belong to past time. Here we have the pattern table of we use with a first affirmative sentence. I was, he was, she was, it was. We were, you were, they were. When we make negatives, we say I was not, I wasn't, he was not, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, or it was not, she was not, he was not, like this. When we make questions, so we put was, were in the beginning of the sentence. Here we have more examples. Last year Rachel was 22, so she is 23 now. Was and is. We use is in the present time and was in the past time. When I was a child, I was scared of dogs. These two in the one sentence, these two was belong to past time. We were hungry after the trip, but we weren't tired. The hotel was comfortable, but it wasn't expensive. Was the weather nice when you were on vacation? Your shoes are nice. Were they expensive? Why were you late this morning? I have read all these example sentences which belong to past time. Here we have some short answers. Were you late? No, I wasn't. Was Tom at work yesterday? Yes, he was. Were Sue and Jim at the party? No, they weren't. Okay, we have done here. Jack and Kate were at the movies. She was at the station. Now here we have number fourth picture here. Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Mr. and Mrs. Hall were at a restaurant or in a restaurant. Mr. and Mrs. Hall were at a or in a restaurant. Okay, now we have here fifth sentence. Ben was at the beach. Look here. Ben was at the beach and I was at work. I was at work. You can say I was at school, I was in school, I was studying, like I was at shop. Now here we have other uses of am is are in present and was were in past. So let's see do this. Last year she was 22, so she is 23 now. Today the weather today the weather is nice, but yesterday it was very cold. I'm hungry. Can I have something? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Can I have something to eat? I feel fine this morning. I feel fine this morning, but I was very tired last night. I was very tired last night. Where were you? Where were you at 11 last Friday morning? Don't buy those shoes. Don't buy those shoes. Number 6. Don't buy those shoes. They are very expensive. They are very expensive. We have used this are in here. I like your new jacket. Is it expensive? Is it expensive? Number 7. Or we can say I like your new jacket. Is it expensive or was it expensive? We can use both here. I like your new jacket. Is it expensive? Was it expensive? This time, okay, we can write this here was. I like your new jacket. Was it expensive? This time last year I was in Paris. I was in Paris. Where are Sam and Joe? Okay. Number 9. Where are Sam and Joe? I don't know. They were here a few minutes ago. They were here a few minutes ago. Okay. Now let's do other parts of this lesson. Write was, were, are, wasn't, weren't. We like to make affirmative, assertive sentence or negative sentences with the use of was, were, wasn't, weren't. We weren't happy with the hotel. We weren't happy with the hotel. Our room was very small and it wasn't clean. Nick was at work because Nick wasn't, okay? Nick wasn't at work last week because he was sick. Because he was sick, he is better now. Yesterday was a holiday, so the banks were closed. They are open today. Were Kate and Bill at the party? Kate was there, but Bill wasn't. Okay. Where are my keys? They were on the table, but they are not there now. Where are my keys? Number 5. Number 5. They were. Where are my keys? They were on the table, but they are not there now. You weren't home last night. You weren't home last night. Where were you? Where were you? Okay, now we have here last part of the exercise here. Late you this morning. Why were you late this morning? The traffic was bad. Like this. Now, difficult your exam. Was your exam difficult? Was your exam difficult? Question mark here. No, it was easy. No, it was easy. Last week's were Sue and Chris. Where were Sue and Chris last week? Where were Sue and Chris last week? Okay, we can write here last week. Question mark here. Here we have, how much was your new camera? How much was your new camera? $120. Why were you angry yesterday? Okay. Why were you angry yesterday? Question mark here. Because you were late. Because you were late. Okay. Was the weather nice last week? Was the weather nice last week? Question mark here. Yes, it was beautiful. We have learnt here how to make negative sentences by using was, were in the past time, or to make questions. We have learned to make simple assertive sentences, negative sentences, and questions as well in past time with the use of was, were. I hope you have learned this lesson, the use of was, were. Okay, thank you. Talk soon.